everyone. Welcome again to a new lesson from English for Starters for 4th grade, Unit 23. Let's see the objectives. Number 1. Introduce the new words. Learn about some animals in the jungles. Read the lesson, then answer questions. And finally, learn about comparative adjectives. Let's begin with the new words. Number 1, jungle, and it's a noun. See some pictures. Jungle, jungle. Jungle is a thick forest in a hot tropical country. Number 2, gorilla. It's a noun. Gorilla. Gorilla is a very large black African ape. An ape is a kind of large monkey. Number 3, dangerous, and it's an adjective. Dangerous. It's dangerous. Be careful when you cross the road. Dangerous. Some snakes are very dangerous. Dangerous means able or likely to harm or kill you. Next, intelligent, an adjective. Intelligent, we use it for people, like when we say intelligent girl, intelligent boy, and it means clever or good at understanding ideas and thinking clearly. Also, we use intelligent for animals, like monkeys are intelligent animals, and it means able to think and understand. Now we have 2 adjectives, tall and long. Let's see the difference. We use the adjective tall to describe the height of people or thing. Like when we say a tall building, a tall man, or a tall animal. But the adjective long, we use it to measure the length of something or a great amount in distance or time. Like when we say a long snake, a long train, a long road, or a long time. Now, dear students, let's learn about animals in the jungle. Let's see together this video.
A jungle is a kind of tropical forest. It is hot and thick with trees, plants, and lots of animals. There are often rivers or lakes in a jungle where fish and insects and animals live, both in the water and near the water. What kind of animals could you find in a jungle? One animal you might see in a jungle is a monkey. There are lots of different kinds of monkeys. Monkeys have long arms and usually climb trees and swing around in them. They also usually have long tails. Another kind of animal you'll see in some jungles are lions. A lion looks like a really big cat and has a long mane of fur around his face. Lady lions and baby lions, called cubs, don't have the mane of fur around their faces, so they look even more like a big cat. A crocodile is an animal with a long body and a long tail. A crocodile also has a long mouth with lots of teeth. They spend a lot of time swimming in the water, catching fish and other animals. They also live on land. Gorillas are big, black, and furry, and have long, strong arms. They look like really big monkeys, but they are not monkeys, they are apes. Apes are very smart animals. Gorillas can look scary, but they are actually gentle animals and eat lots of leaves and plants. There are not many gorillas left in the world, which is very sad. The main reason is because people cut down the jungles and forests where gorillas live, and some people hunt gorillas. Other people are trying to protect them so they are not hunted, and protect the jungles and forests so gorillas still have places to live. Gorillas need lots of help. Snakes live in jungles too. They are thin and long and don't have any arms or legs. You'll also find in the jungle colorful frogs, butterflies and other insects, and lots of different kinds of birds. Jungles are very important because they are the home of so many animals and plants. There are fewer and fewer jungles left in the world, which means that the animals there don't have enough places to live. Since jungles and forests, especially rainforests, are the homes for so many plants and animals, they are very important to the earth.
It was very interesting. Now let's read the lesson. Open the pupil's book to page 67 and, as usual, highlight the new words.
Unit 23, Exercise 1. Listen and read.
We're going to talk about animals of the jungle. We're going to tell you about monkeys and gorillas. Gorillas are taller than monkeys. Monkeys are smaller than gorillas. They live longer than gorillas. They climb better than gorillas. Monkeys are more intelligent than gorillas. Gorillas are more dangerous than monkeys.
I like monkeys more than gorillas. Me too. I think they're funny.
And now it's time for comprehension questions. What animals are Ruba and Hala going to talk about? They are going to talk about monkeys and gorillas. 2. Which animal is taller, a gorilla or a monkey? A gorilla is taller than a monkey. Which one lives longer? A monkey lives longer than a gorilla. Which one climbs trees better, a monkey or a gorilla? A monkey climbs better than a gorilla. 5. Which animal is more intelligent? A monkey is more intelligent than a gorilla. 6. Which one is more dangerous? Of course, a gorilla is more dangerous than a monkey. Great, well done. And now, dear students, let's learn about comparative adjectives. Comparative adjectives is used to compare two people or things. Let's compare the tortoise and the rabbit using the adjectives slow. The tortoise is slower than the rabbit. So the word slower is a comparative adjective. Let's see the rule. To the short adjective, we add er and than. Longer than, taller than, shorter than, smaller than, lighter than, older than, and stronger than. Now let's compare the whale and the shark using the adjective big. The whale is bigger than the shark. So the word bigger is the comparative adjective. But notice here that we double the last letter. Let's see the rule here. To the short adjective ending in a vowel and a consonant, we double the consonant plus er and than. Example, fat, fatter than. We double the consonant or the last letter, it's t, fatter than. And the same like bigger than, thinner than, hotter than, sadder than, madder than. Now let's use the long adjective dangerous. Comparing the snake and the lizard. The snake is more dangerous than the lizard. Let's see the rule. With long adjective, we put more plus the adjective and than. Intelligent, more intelligent than. Expensive, more expensive than. Interesting, more interesting than. Okay, this is a quiz for you now. Which is faster? A cheetah or a motorbike? A motorbike is faster than a cheetah. Which is taller? A giraffe or an elephant? A giraffe is taller than an elephant. Which is heavier? A blue whale or a bus? A blue whale is heavier than a bus. Which is slower? A tortoise or a snail? Yes, a snail is slower than a tortoise. Which is shorter? A kangaroo or an ostrich? A kangaroo is shorter than an ostrich. Which is smaller? A basketball or a soccer ball? A soccer ball is smaller than a basketball. Which is quicker? Light or sound? Light is quicker than sound. Which is hotter? Lava or the sun? The sun is hotter than lava. Which is more expensive? A sports car or a jet? A jet is more expensive than a sport car. Good job! That's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.